In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts using Mailchimp, a crucial task for managing your email marketing efforts efficiently. Whether you're starting fresh or updating your existing audience, this tutorial will guide you through each step clearly. First, head over to the Mailchimp dashboard and let's begin by navigating to the Audience tab. This is where you'll manage your contacts and track your audience data with ease. It serves as the central hub for understanding your contact list's overall performance. Now that we're on the audience page, you'll want to click on Add Contacts. This is where the process of importing new contacts really begins. It's designed to enhance both the diversity and reach of your audience through targeted updates. Once you've clicked on Add Contacts, you'll notice an option to import contacts. Selecting this brings you to a new screen, readying you for the import. Here, choose the Upload a File option. Mailchimp supports various file types, ensuring you have the flexibility you need to import your data. After selecting Upload a File, click on Continue. This transitions you to the file selection stage where you can choose the specific file from your device that holds your valuable contact data. Navigate to your file directories and select the file you wish to upload. Then confirm your choice by clicking on Open. Now, with your file prepped for uploading, hit Continue again to start the upload process. This is a great moment to review the information and verify all the details are correct. Be sure to choose the right tags during the stage. Tagging is enormously beneficial for segmenting your audience and ensuring targeted marketing. With tags chosen, press Continue. It's time for a final review before the data is processed, so give everything a double check. Once you're satisfied, click Continue one more time. A checklist will appear, prompting you to make sure the data is marked as subscribed. This crucial step ensures that emails sent to these contacts won't come across as unsolicited or spammy. After confirming the subscription status, merge your contacts by hitting Finalize Import. Mailchimp will now process your data, adding it to your audience. The penultimate step involves clicking on Complete Import. Congratulations! Your contacts are now a part of your Mailchimp database, ready for the next email campaign. Lastly, don't forget to check everything by clicking on View New Contact. This section presents the newly imported contacts, giving you peace of mind that your data has been correctly imported and is visible for future use. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Mailchimp, setting the stage for effective email marketing. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need to update your contact list. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.